Hey Conifers, brothers, supporters, welcome. I am Inishali. So hey guys, we are back with the most awaited video in which we are going to introduce our new member. So I hope you people are excited. Okay, so let's start with our video. So guys, this video is combination of tech and men's apparel. For tech purpose, I have taken this band which is lenovo HX03 SPECTRA. Okay, and for men's apparel tech purpose, I'm going to show you that on what clothes you can wear these smart bands. Okay, so before starting video, let me explain you about this smart band. It has a multiple display screen and it also has a color display. It contains detailed notification feature where you can receive your notification such as your text message, calling notification, Facebook notification, Instagram, WhatsApp, WeChat, all your social notifications you can receive on this smart band. This smart band is also water resistant with IP rating 68. Battery is also long lasting, guys. If you charge this band's battery for half an hour only, you can use this band for a whole day. And after that, it also has a find my phone feature, which is very helpful to find your phone. Band has a quick charging feature, a kind of simple charging feature. You don't need to carry any cable with you. It has a heart rate sensor which works little slow, but it works very well. So now let's solve the question which is majorly asked. Okay, so the question is, does smart bands are unisex or not? Because some people think that smart band is boy thing or a man thing, but no, it is not like that, because smart bands are unisex. Because some of my female friends ask me, can we bought a smart band? Smart band is a girl thing or not? Because they think that smart band is not a girl thing. Okay, but no guys, smart bands are unisex and girl as well as boy both can wear smart bands. Now guys, on what kind of clothing you can wear smart bands? Okay, so what I see, first category on what you can wear smart bands is sports. Because in sport category, smart bands are very helpful because it has a calorie tracker, step counting, heart rate sensor and such features which help you calculate your daily exercise and which will help you out in your gymming process also. Okay, so smart band is kind of band you can wear on a sport category, and other than sport category there is a one more category on which you can wear smart band. That category is casual category. Casual is something when you planning about outing or to go somewhere out, you can wear the smart band because it looks that cool, and you can wear the smart band on your casual looks also. Okay, because in casual you can use it as a daily driver. Okay, so daily driver means what? You just have to charge it for a half an hour and you can use that watch for a whole day. Okay, so it has a long lasting battery and with power pack features such as heart rate sensor, okay, step counting, which gives you decent and stunning look on daily casual outfit. Okay guys. So I hope you people like our video, okay, and don't forget that we are also going to start vlogging, so stay tuned for that, okay guys. And if you love such kind of content, comment down below. We'll make sure to come up with such videos. And if you have any suggestions or if you want any kind of videos, comment down below. You can DM us on Instagram, okay. Don't forget to follow us over there. Then after that, if you love our videos, then like our videos. If you like our videos, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Then press that bell icon below guys, okay. So be kind,